So in this problem, you're asked to write a balanced chemical equation for a combination reaction. They tell you the product. In the beginning part of the question, they tell you the two reactants. Remember, a combination reaction or synthesis reaction is taking two things and putting it together. It says in the question, express your answer as a chemical equation and identify all phases in your answer. So that's the solid, the liquid, and the gas that are the L, sorry, not the gas, but the aqueous solution for the calcium hydroxide. And you're told that in the problem part up here, calcium hydroxide, aqueous. And so I think that should already be a balanced equation, and there shouldn't be anything more to part A. So in part C, you're asked about another different product, some complex ion, calcium hydroxide with a positive charge. And so that seems a little strange, probably because you've never dealt with anything like that before. But if you stop and take a look, we still have the same reactants. And if that's one of the products, well, either you can't balance the reaction or something else has to be produced. And the question then becomes, well, what else is being produced? Well, you kind of have to ask the question, what did calcium oxide gain in order to become that product that's listed on the right side? Well, it gained a hydrogen, or more specifically a hydrogen ion, and that's why it has that positive charge. Well, where did it get that hydrogen ion from? Well, it had to take it from water. So if you take a hydrogen away from water, what's left over? Well, after taking that H plus away from water, a hydroxide ion has to be the thing that's left over. And the last thing you need to do then is balance the equation and determine a phase for hydroxide ion. Well, we dissolved the calcium oxide in an excess amount of water, and so if the calcium hydroxide positive cation thing there is aqueous, the other product is going to be aqueous as well. Aqueous simply means it was dissolved in water.